Okay, I'm going to make a meatloaf for our supper. So what I always do, this is right at 2.5 pounds of ground beef.
Excuse background noise.
I always add, if I'm making a small meatloaf, I just do 1 egg. A larger meatloaf, I do 2. 2 cans of tomato sauce. I usually have a garbage bowl. This is usually what I use as a garbage bowl, like Rachel Ray, to keep all the trash in. Sure does make it a lot easier. Alright, and then we do our crackers. Small meatloaf, one's enough. Large meatloaf, usually go ahead and use 2, sometimes 1.5, depends on how far you want it to go. We use leftovers around here, so the more the merrier. Ready? Hold on, mix again. Alright. I'm not a professional.
And how do you cut the onion?
I just like to slice them all straight across and then dice them up as small as I possibly can. Without putting any extra meat. And especially if you have family members that don't like onion, the smaller the better. That way they don't taste it as much, have to chew on it or nothing.
But you like the crunch.
I like onion in it, yes. A lot of people like bell peppers, celery. Bell peppers really do make it good.
Yes. Jalapenos.
Yeah, jalapenos are good.
Whole tomatoes.
Yeah, a can of stewed tomatoes really makes it good.
Good. Yum-o, like Rachel Ray says.
Okay. Then you mix them all up.
Sorry about the background noise. My nephew, he knows it's being almost supper time, so he's hungry. And you just give it a mix. Most people use forks and stuff to mix it, or what?
Yeah, some people even have like a dough maker, bread maker that they throw it all in.
My mom always uses hands.
Turns it to mush.
My mom always uses her hands, which I think does a better job. Look at this. Good. Yes.
When you're dealing with raw meat, you don't want bacteria, salmonella, and all those good germs.
Very, very good. Onions burn my eyes.
Okay. Here comes the fun part.